You know, it's been a little while since Nardo has gotten any love, so if you are new to the channel, quick recap. This is our 2018 M3 competition in Nardo grade that we got just about a year ago. It was the end of last February. 5,500 miles on it at the time, mostly optioned out. I think the only things it didn't have was the carbon ceramic brakes and the full leather dash, but otherwise pretty loaded, including the M Performance packages and exhausts. And then the previous owner also did some upgrades as well, including the Eventuri intakes, BMS charge pipes, and lots of carbon fiber. So really a beautiful specimen F80. Now, in the time that we've had it, we haven't really done that much to it. I think the only thing was the Carbon X intercooler cover to complete that look in the engine bay. But we got a bunch of things planned, a few things on deck. We just finished up the wheel studs and spacers. So same as Yaz has the Mach Schnell wheel studs with the 15 mil spacers. We have some painted front reflectors, the paint matched ones that are getting ready to go on. But today I'm focusing on the rear reflectors. So I picked up a set of these Acexxon gloss honeycomb rear reflectors from I&D. So you can get them in this style or in a horizontal slotted design, and either version comes in a matte or a gloss finish. So I went with the gloss finish on this one because I figure it's sitting pretty close to the carbon fiber rear diffuser, and you know, that's got a reasonable gloss to it, so I figured it would mesh well there. And as for the honeycomb design, I love that look. So I think this mod's gonna turn out pretty well. As I've said before, I really love those just real subtle accent touches. I think you sort of do enough of them and you really build something cool, right? So, all right, well, let's get these installed. It should be pretty easy. So you don't need much in the way of tools for this. I just have some tape to put around the reflector to protect the paint, Bondo spreader to slide underneath the reflector, and then a pry tool to sort of pop out those clips. So these are held in place by 3 clips, and you want to start on the inside right at that corner there, and then pop out that first clip. You might need to pop the second, but then after that, it should slide right out. But be careful though, because the whole thing can pop out on you at once, so you want to kind of brace it in place as you're removing. For installation, it's just that in reverse. So we'll start from the outside, snap that first clip in, and then do the other 2, give it a push to make sure it's secure, and that's it. Well, this one was really easy, but I love how it came out. Now, I don't think that the rear reflectors are an eyesore, not like the amber ones up front, but still, I love these over the stock version. And you know, I can make the argument for doing the horizontal slotted one with the matte finish, because that would sort of match this piece in here. But since that's kind of tucked in, and again, I had the close proximity of the glossy carbon fiber diffuser here, and even the paint, I think gloss was the way to go, and I love the honeycomb look. And like I said before, I love those little, you know, small aesthetic touches. You know, I don't think it's a mod for the sake of a mod. I think it's just, you know, enough of your personal touches, and it really just builds out this car. All right, well, I will leave a link to the product in the description below if you want to pick up a set. Lots more Nardo stuff coming, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.